to you. I don't have to explain it to you.
Oh, hearsay?
Knock the off. You're gonna get tased if you don't knock it off. Wait. Knock it off.
Police were called to an apartment after reports of a disturbance involving a grandmother and her adult granddaughter. When officers arrived, they found damaged property and a heated argument already underway. The grandmother told police her granddaughter had been breaking house rules and causing chaos inside the unit, leading to an escalating conflict the officers had to step in and calm.
Here's our problem. First is, she lives with you, yeah?
Yeah, she's been staying here.
Yep, so I can't force her to leave. Just because you have rules that she can't drink or do any of this stuff if she's not a danger to herself.
She's kicked out of here.
But I can't force her to leave if she lives here too. The boundaries that you guys have, if she's not following them, those are between you two. I can ask her if she wants to go to her grandparents in East End if she says yes, but I can't force her to leave.
Well, I'm going to have to contact somebody. You're going to do it.
Yep. Yeah, you'll have to go through the eviction process or have them.
She broke. She's destroying property.
We can't prove that it's her, but if you want to let us in, I'll go talk to her.
That's enough of that.
That's enough. Go back in your apartment. If you want to let us in, I'll go talk
He's
to her.
trying to
But
get me kicked out of here. See, he's calling the landlord. The landlord is already here once today.
Well, there's nothing about that I can do.
She destroyed property.
How do I prove that this was her?
She told me she was going to get into my stuff.
Okay. Hi. Can we talk for a minute?
Sure.
Okay. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Step on that so you can all your stuff on it.
Yeah.
Step on this rug.
Oh, sure. Sorry. I thought you meant stuff on the carpet, not on
No,
this.
no,
Can you tell me what happened?
I was out there. I don't know what's going on over there, but I was standing out in my balcony having coffee and
Yeah.
smoke. Those two were going at it. Whatever they threw against that wall knocked that bike over. Knocked that out here in the hall.
Yeah.
Okay, and then that emergency exit light here, that's what those pieces are laying down there for.
Yeah.
And they were cussing up a storm.
Okay.
Somebody wanted to know who called, if they called the cops on who, and I have no idea.
Sure.
But they've been fighting over there. This isn't the first time.
No, I've been here before.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Can I get your information if you don't mind? What's your first name? Just me.
You guys are, I don't want you tracking.
Oh,
too much
do you
here.
have a cell phone, Joe? Do you know approximately how much that exit sign would cost to fix?
It's up to Neil. I don't know.
Okay.
I have no idea.
I don't either, but I need just like a number, so I didn't know if you might have been smarter than I am about how much that stuff was.
It's been going on. I mean,
Yeah, I'll go over and talk to her, but Emily's being super defiant, so I wanted to get her going to jail. So I needed disorderly conduct, and I felt you would probably be a proper victim since you were sitting here trying to mind your business and there's all this stuff going on.
Yeah, that's why I stepped out. I wonder what all the commotion was out there. I stepped out, and she knows.
Yep, yeah, okay.
But this isn't the, I've had enough of this stuff.
Right, I don't blame you. That's all I need from you, Joe, so thank you so much.
Notice how officers asked repeated, open-ended questions to understand what happened inside.
Why do you not? Wow. What are you doing?
I'm literally chilling in my bedroom.
Why is that destroyed? Why is that
I
apartment
don't know.
destroyed?
Don't ask me.
Okay.
I didn't do it.
Sure. Who else did then?
Prove it. I don't know.
I'm asking you.
I don't know. I just
Why
came
are we
back
being?
home.
Why are we being snotty?
Why are you being?
I'm not.
You are.
I'm not.
You're being.
So I'm being a. And
Yes.
what?
You're being.
Okay. Why is the apartment destroyed?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Well, I am asking you.
Well, I don't know.
Okay. So then who did it?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Okay. Come over there and talk.
No, I'm
Yes.
not gonna. Fine. I'll go out there and talk. What the do you guys want?
Here the conversation shifts as both residents offer conflicting accounts of events.
One of you talk to her. I'm over.
That bitch.
Oh, she's a writer.
So, what happened here? Were you here when she
No,
was
you're
doing
going
this?
outside. Please do not make me
No, I got in the truck.
Out in the truck?
I had told her when I let her back in here because she has problems. I was trying to help her.
So, just today?
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh, so she came back today?
No, she said had problems.
Yep.
And I was trying to be kinder because I do love her.
Yeah.
So I said, for you to come back and stay with me, there's no drinking
Nowhere.
and no drugs.
It is my business.
That I think I have a right to put down some boundaries.
Yeah, absolutely. It's your
I,
So So,
I can't.
Did the apartment look like this before you left?
Of course not. I've only been outside a few minutes, and so
I'm telling you.
did you give anyone permission to damage your property?
of course not. Jeez.
Yeah.
I've had to call and call help.
Yep. I'm just gonna take some photos in here, okay?
What is happening?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Okay, well, I'm asking you because nobody has answers.
I don't know. Look at the camera footage.
What camera footage?
I don't know.
Okay.
Look at it.
There's no camera footage to look at.
Well, that's not my problem, is
Okay,
it?
so if she wasn't here, how did the apartment get destroyed? And you're sitting
I
in
don't
there.
know. I went somewhere and I came back.
Where'd you go?
I got an Uber.
Where'd you go where?
That's none of your business.
It's my business.
It's not. Who the are you?
Do not talk to her. That's enough.
I think like whoever.
No, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Give me a-
It's really creepy.
Dirty grandmother.
Oh, it's creepy over there. Before I put her in, like, actually under arrest and just detain her right now because of her attitude. Obviously, she wants her charged for all of this stuff.
Yeah, clearly. Okay.
Let me.
How about you prove that it's me?
I can.
Can you?
Yep.
How?
I don't have to
Camera
explain it to you.
footage?
I don't have to explain it to you.
Oh, hearsay?
Knock the off. You're gonna get tased if you don't knock it off.
Wait. Knock it off. Do you call in and help me bring her down to the car?
Yep.
You gonna walk or are we dragging you? You gonna walk or are we dragging you? Dragging something. I'll come back up and talk to you.
I ain't got nothing on me.
Thank you.
Officers separate parties to reduce tension and continue questioning.
At first she was like, she wanted to press, but then she was like, I don't want her getting in trouble, so just verify. Yeah. All right. DC, damage property, and resist. Okay.
You think what now? Huh? What'd you say? Grandma doesn't want to pursue anything until the damage to property, but I'm going to go to DC and talk to the neighbor. Okay, I think he will be a cooperating victim. Yeah. Hey, Linda. It's the police department still.
33, he didn't get any pictures.
10-4, I got it. I need to take pictures since my partner didn't get to before she decided to act the way she did.
A bottle of vodka.
Well, the problem is, obviously she has a drinking problem. The issue is that she is of age, so she can drink. I can't stop her from
I know
that. If
that.
that is a rule of that she's going to live here and she can't drink, that's between you guys. But she's also a resident here, so I can't kick her out. I can because she's being defiant. I needed to get her out of here, and she's still, that doesn't matter. She's established residency. If I had enough stuff here to change my clothes for a couple times, I'm getting mail here, her name is down on the mailbox, she is a resident here. She doesn't have
Put
to.
that there.
I've been here before a couple months ago when she was here. Her
Yes,
bedroom
she
is
was.
here, so
Yeah.
she's a resident. I can't kick her out. I can't
Yeah.
make her leave. If you want to, you have to go through the proper eviction process.
Well, now I'm gonna end up getting kicked out of here. He is not very nice, and he's been a jerk to me off and on, practically from day one.
Can you-
The landlord was already here once today.
Well, the problem
at
is,
his
is
apartment.
but the problem is, can you blame him? This is his house too. He wants to live in peace and harmony, and she's here causing a ruckus and
I
throwing
used
things
to
against the
live down
door.
hall. I was the quietest person in this place. I didn't even hardly even.
And I would assume that it would go back to that if Emily doesn't live here.
I'm sure it was, but you know what? No, because you know why that jerk does to me? I didn't even hardly know him. I didn't talk to anybody in this building except to say hi from the balcony from that side, the opposite side. You know what he started doing? And then that means the landlord will not be able to get it to the side lot, in that lot, both sides of the yard.
Sure.
They shoved snow back on him.
Okay. So,
He parked his car behind me.
from what I'm
I
gathering,
hardly had interactions with him. Can I finish? And I'll just be quiet?
let's go back to this stuff because this is the focus that I'm on. Your neighbor problem is that's going to be between
I
you
know
guys.
that, but it's
The
not-
the problem is it's not you that's the problem. It's Emily that's the
I know.
problem. That's something that you need to take care
I
of.
know.
Though we can only do so much. I'm going to put her in jail, and you know what the jail's going to do is release her, and she's going to come back here and be a problem. So my Best bet for you is to lock your doors and not let her in.
Going to jail over
She's going to jail. Not overnight. I bet they will probably end up booking and releasing her because that's what the jail likes to do and they don't like to hold people. But if you want to go back to being that quiet neighbor, this is something that you need to take care of. I can only do so much within the legal realm. What I have to get back to is I am going to assume that you weren't the one throwing plates and dishes and roast beef sandwiches at the wall.
Oh my God.
Did you throw the plates
No.
and the dishes? Okay.
No.
Who did?
I wasn't up there. I would have to assume that my granddaughter did.
Was there anybody else in the house when you left?
No.
Was your apartment like this when you left?
No.
And when you came back, it was like this?
Yes.
So you would assume, in your right state of mind, that Emily was the only person in this apartment at the time?
Yep, as far as I know.
And does she ever have people here?
No.
Okay.
So there's a cup broke,
And then she tried locking you out of the apartment, which she cannot do.
and she broke the thing is broken off and you found it busted in there.
What thing? This?
You think that they are.
This was broken before. I didn't have to break this.
Well, then she broke it.
Okay.
Oh, how did she do that?
I don't know.
Well,
But there was just, well, the only thing I had to kick in was the chair that was sitting here.
It looks like there's at least a cup open and that glass is her glass.
Whose bike
It's
is,
the landlord.
whose bike is that?
My other granddaughter.
How much do you think it costs?
I don't know. Somebody gave it to her.
But if you had to guess, I need a dollar amount. Because it's busted. The wheel's broken off.
Well, no, that they took that off because they were fixing it.
Oh, okay.
I think it needs a part or something.
Okay.
The conversation shifts to safety concerns and short-term next steps.
All right. Well, keep your door locked. Don't let her back here for the night. We will figure out something if we have to with her.
I
But
don't know. See, she could go to her grandfather's. I don't want her coming back here.
is this something? Are you afraid of her?
No, but you know what? I can't take the huffing, what it does to her, and the drinking combined.
But the problem is that she's 23. So if she wants to drink, yeah, and that's between you guys. If she wants to drink, I can't stop her from that. If that's going to be a rule that you guys have in your house, then that's something that you have to abide by, and you need to get your landlord and the courts involved to evict her because she has established residency. I can ask her to leave, but I can't force her to leave
I
yet.
don't think I'll have to worry about that. I think after this, he's going to see to it. He said he was calling the landlord.
Okay,
He likes to call the landlord about everybody and everything under the sun.
sure. Keep your door locked. Honestly, put that chair up if you have to because the door's pretty flimsy, but if she comes back and causes anything, please let me know.
I don't know. See if she'll. I don't know. You're going to let her out tonight?
I'm not the jail, so I don't have the ability to say whether she's going to or not.
Then I wanted to go to her grandfather's.
That's if she wants to go.
She's not coming back there.
Okay.
I don't want her to.
Okay.
Take that can of huffing.
Keep the door locked, Linda, please. Thank you.
All right, Emily. It's alright. We can just go right over here.
Can I go in or what?
Yeah, it's gonna open up in a second. It'll be the first door on the left. Take a seat on the bench over here. Go right over here. Go right up against this wall here. And look up into this camera. They're taking temperatures for COVID.
Cool. Let me know when I get my mugshot so I can smile.
That'll be over there.
Cool.
Walk right up to the counter there.
Emily was arrested for disorderly conduct and criminal mischief after officers determined she had damaged property during the disturbance. She remains presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. When analyzing this situation from a legal perspective, several important points stand out. The first issue involves residency and property rights. In this case, the individual referred to as Emily was living in the apartment, and under U.S. law, anyone who has established residency, by receiving mail, having a bedroom, or otherwise living there, cannot be forcibly removed without going through the proper eviction process. Landlords or co-tenants cannot simply kick someone out, even if there are personal conflicts or house rules about behavior, alcohol, or drugs. Attempting to do so could expose the person trying to remove her to civil liability or even criminal charges. The proper procedure involves documenting violations, providing written notices, and, if necessary, filing an eviction petition in court. This ensures that all actions are legally defensible. The second issue involves property damage. Any damage to the apartment or personal property should be documented immediately. Take photographs, save receipts, and, if possible, gather statements from witnesses. If you suspect someone caused damage, you may contact the police to file a report for criminal damage to property, but it is important to avoid confrontation, do not attempt to force them to admit guilt, and let law enforcement conduct the investigation. Proving who caused the damage requires either witness testimony or video evidence. From a legal standpoint, the police conduct in this case appears standard for a domestic disturbance or property complaint. Officers have the authority to investigate, take statements, and make arrests if they observe violations of the law, such as resisting an officer or disorderly conduct. Residents also retain their constitutional rights during such interactions, including the right to remain silent and the right to request an attorney. It is crucial to stay calm, comply with lawful commands, and avoid escalating the situation. Recording interactions, if legal in your state, can also help document events accurately. To prevent situations like this, there are several proactive steps. First, establish clear, written agreements about house rules and boundaries, especially in shared housing arrangements. Second, maintain separate spaces and secure personal property. Third, if conflicts escalate or someone refuses to comply with rules, use legal avenues such as mediation, civil court, or landlord involvement, rather than taking matters into your own hands. Finally, always be aware of your rights under state and local law, including the procedures for eviction, protection orders, and reporting criminal behavior. In summary, if you find yourself in a similar scenario, prioritize safety and legality. Document everything, avoid confrontations, respect the residency rights of others, and involve law enforcement or legal counsel as needed. This approach not only protects your personal property and living situation, but also ensures that you do not inadvertently commit a crime while attempting to enforce your own rules. Understanding these rights and procedures ahead of time can prevent unnecessary arrests, civil liability, and long-term legal complications.